Today we're reviewing the Fabuletta Ultrasonic Warm and Cool Mist Humidifier. Looks nice, let's see what's inside. On the box it says Warm and Cool Mist, Top Fill Design, Aromatherapy, Quiet Sleep Mode. Some of the features. The package contains one humidifier, one aroma pad, one water filter, one cleaning brush, and the user manual. There's the user manual. There it is. It's a nice design, super clean. White on the bottom, blue tank. You have your different modes here. You've got mist mode, warm mode, sleep mode, and your timer. Okay, so to fill it up, you just take the tank, take the top off the tank, and the water goes in here. Okay, now that the tank is filled, I'll pop it back on top here. Put the top on. Now we're gonna plug the humidifier in. I'm gonna hit the power button. And you see, right? It starts working right away. So you got your 4 controls here. Mist, you can control how heavy you want the mist. That's 1, 2, 3. I like putting it on 1. You can make the mist warm if you'd like. Sleep mode turns it off. And then you could set a timer too, which is nice. 4 hours, 8 hours, and 12 hours. And that's the Fabuletta Mister. Looks really nice, it works really well. I'm a big fan of this humidifier. It's a good product.